Hello students, welcome to class 7th. Our course. Last we had discussed about Hansaba's land case. How one landlord is land grabbing of Hansaba and she got back from the Taluka court. Dear students, courts are made for us, and in my previous lecture I explained you about the Taluka court, district court and high court. Our today's discussion topic is their high court. The highest court of our country is Supreme Court. Every state has a high court. High court in our state is in Ahmedabad. The jurisdiction of the courts of all states is decided by the high court. All the high courts are uniform, are called court of records. High court is also called the court of records. There are other judges to help the main judge at high court. Anyone has a right to appeal in high court for public welfare. However, if anyone appeals for the wrong reason and wastes the court's time, he or she will be punished. Even though what is not given here, that point is public interest litigation application, means PIL. If you are not satisfied with the facilities which is provided by the local amenities, you are not satisfied with the things which is going on a proper way, then many a times a country citizen, country fellow can apply for PIL, but it should be a particular fact one. As it is given in the textbook, if you are wasting the time of a court, then you will be surely punished for that. So high court is also making records of each and every point, so it is also called the court of records. Many records will be there, many verdicts are given, it is attached there. Based on that verdicts, another verdicts will be given. And in things to know points, the state high court judge takes the oath in front of a governor of particular state. Generally, lawyer argue in a high court if required. Both petitioners means the one who is applying and the one who is applied against that party, and accused are called in the high court. Petitioners and the accused are called in the high court and listen the statement of them. Statement will be recorded. After recording the statement, the batch of judges will have a panel discussion and the decision will be given. Here there is a story of a Gabbar is given. The judgment of Gabbar is given. There was a village called Ranpur, and the head of that village was Lalji Mukhi. It was winter. While returning from home in the evening, a car suddenly stopped near him. Few men got down from the car and attacked him and left badly injured. The person who attacked him was known as Rufyan Gabbar. Mukhi filed a case against Gabbar and got him arrested. Gabbar was asked to remain present in the court. After the argument from both the lawyers, judgment was passed in Gabbar's favor. Thus Gabbar was set free and Mukhi did not get justice. Gabbar kept threatening Mukhi repeatedly and even threatened to kill him. Mukhi was fed up of this and thus decided to appeal in High Court. High Court heard the both side arguments and different from district court, and Gabbar was convicted and Mukhi was finally got justice. Hence, if a person doesn't get justice from district court, she can appeal in the High Court. The High Court is hearing the both side, listening, and you are not satisfied, you can get justice from it. Next session we shall have a more talk about the another incidents. Till that, please read well and write well.